Hi students, today we learned how to make contractions with R and M, and we're going to practice doing that independently. On this assignment in Schoology, you will drag two words to the blue column and then type in the contraction in the yellow column. I will do a couple for you as an example. I am going to drag in I and am, and then I would click in the yellow column and type in a capital I, an apostrophe, and an M for the contraction I'm. One more example, I would drag in U and R and type in U apostrophe R-E. Please remember that when you're making contractions with am, you replace the A with an apostrophe, and when you're making contractions with R, you also replace the A with an apostrophe.